Kelly and I are here today hitting Hanna Park at #1. Watch the video below. Click subscribe.
We'll be using our sand fleas today. Sand fleas been a bit scarce. We have salt clam, but the sand fleas we'll be using and reporting on. We have a beautiful product. We'll give you more information, but this is for fishermen to catch more fish.
Absolutely. Watch the video.
My tagline: get salty, get fishy.
Here. Ah, there we are. Sand fleas and native salted clams. You'll see the catch. Kelly's setting them up. Oh, look at that, bite on already, first out. Can't even get a second rod in. The baits are on fire, Killian. Let's see what bait they bit today. Oh, this is a nice fish. This is a nice fish. Here we go. Let's see what we got today. This is a nice fish. And what do we got? And what do we catch it on? Oh, nice whiting on clam. On clam, look at that. That's our first one. On salted clams by Killian.
Can I throw this one?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's fast.
My first fishing. My first cast of 220. I mean 2020.
You don't have to cast it. You don't have to cast it real far. You can see it there.
What?
You can see the happy water there.
Yeah.
Killian's at it again. So when you're looking at ways of fishing, I like to tip my rods back, and you know, Killian, he likes to tip his forward. Just a preference, it doesn't really matter as long as you can see the bite and the line's tight. So everybody's just got a little different preference. I like mine tipped back, so I know that when mine goes slack, if a pompano hits it, it falls and then drops back down. So I don't have to worry about anything if I miss I'm not watching my pole for some reason. Come on, fishies! I think we got one on here. Fish are biting. Hanna Park. Now I want everybody to know Hanna Park's going to close down until we don't know when, but so these fish won't be accessible. We're fishing it on the last day. That's me. And we're still catching them. Clam. Uh-oh, we're on. Oh, look who makes a star appearance, my wife. She's in the background of all this stuff. But she just, she's a really good angler also. And this rod was in close, right where all that happy water is. What do you think, babes?
There's dolphins out there.
There are a bunch of dolphins. Look at them right out there. Look how many of them. Bunch of dolphins. And my wife's got, should be pretty close. And what do we got? Another whiting on the bottom, which is always clam.
My first fish of 2020.
Atta girl. Is this right for you? Good enough? Is that how you like them?
As far as how much I put on there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. That's how I did it too. I didn't know if I was right or wrong.
A piece of paper, but I didn't want to just put a piece of paper in there and not pay.
Oh yeah.
But then my luck, somehow they'll find out. And
Oh, there you are. There, Killian's on. There we go. Rich, he's got the dagger in his hand, baby. He's got the dagger. Let's see what we got today. Water's a little dirty today. What do we got? Oh, whiting, baby. Gotta love the whiting. The best fish in the sea. Tastes delicious. On, what's it on? Oh, there it is, right there, a piece of clam. We'll put him back on. We can get more than one use out of that. Oh, there's a little one. There we are. There we are. We're finally biting. Killian baits are on fire today. They're as good as any of the live baits we've been fishing. So that means there's a lot of fish here, or his baits are superior. Oh, look at that! Look at that, Killian! Haha, double trouble! Double trouble! Hey, Walt's with us today again.
nice.
Yeah, Walt's the lucky one. Oh, look at that! Killian's on too. That's 3 fishing. Attaboy! Look at that. That's a good day. Oh, Walt's on now too. The fire, it's on fire. Catching them up. Walt's on. Trying to fill the cooler, you never. I want to just thank everybody for watching the video, but I really want to thank Killian for driving up and teaching us how to use the sand fleas and clams off his that he produces at nativesaltedbait.com. We also fished with fish bites, and you can actually get fish bites along with that order to make it easier for you. Just go to his website. You can see that pretty easy. Go ahead and click down below, subscribe. Big giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Tell your friends.
You're looking at that thing over there, okay. Hi, Mom.
If you're wondering how to order, pretty simple. Go to nativesaltbaits.com. Go ahead, you can ask him questions. You can see all the retail locations if there's any close to you. Strike Zone, Ganungs, down in Crescent Beach area, and then the Hammocks Bait and Tackle. I believe their location is, their address is Palm Coast. But go to shop. And it's gonna load. And we had really good luck on these original clams right here, and then the sand fleas. And then if you needed your fish bites, you could go right there. So some offshore chum bait too. So I do have some of that. I really enjoy that. So right there, original salt clams. You can get stringers if you like the stringers. Pretty simple. Go get them. And you're on.
Get salty, get fishy.
Yeah.
Right. Too bad about that damn tree not being 4 foot taller.
Oh yeah.
I wouldn't have to wear glasses. This works.